Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle in this evening, in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, August the 1st, 2023, and I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Tectonic with 4 stars. And this will be a number 6850. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one. But the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 13. But it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes in this puzzle? Yes, I see here one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes here. Quadra boxes then. Next question contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes. Well, then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Oh, well. Overlook this quadra box. Yeah. Overlook this quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. And when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is this box, the inside box, is always a 5. Okay, always a 5. Overlook this one. Well. Alright, okay. So I've told you my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, and or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here we have another same shape. This box, let me use the red pencil, has the same number as that box, but it's upside down. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, and another one here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More? No. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? T shape, upside down. The T shape, when you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Oh, right, the T shape. Here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. Alright, and I believe there's one shape left here in this puzzle. This shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yes, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this area could be here or there then. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If we place a 2 here, I cannot fit any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this area could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Then these 2 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If we place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. 3 and a 4. Alright. These 3 boxes surround a 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. This box can be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there and a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4 is connected with that box, should be also a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there and a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. So the other pair in this area should be numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. This box can be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there and a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 3. Alright. Then, let me think. These 2 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra L shape should be there. Alright, so 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 and a 3, and this connected with that box should be also 1 or the 3, but we already have a 3 here, so it can't be a 3 anymore. Should be a 1, is connected with that box, should be also 1, is connected with this box, should be also 1 box left in this L shape quadra box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 and the 3, 2 and 3. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 1 or a 2. We have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. This box should be a 2. And 1 box left in this W area shape for number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Alright. And now, I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 2, because can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1, okay. So 2 numbers left in this area. One was 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. This box can be a 2. So 2 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area. For number 1. Alright. We have a double 2 here. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 or a 5. Then. Well, this box can be a 5. But also that box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If you place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this cross area. Should be there. Then, let me think. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. And this box is connected with that box, which is a 1 or a 4. But we already have a 1 here. So it can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left. No, I've eliminated the 4 here. So now we have a 4 here, so this box should be a 1. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. So 2 numbers are left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Alright, this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shape, in this cross area for the numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 3, can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So we've eliminated the 2 here, so the 2 should be here. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, 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 well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And have a great and fantastic Tuesday. We'll meet again tomorrow. Yes, it's Wednesday. So, see you then. Bye-bye for now.